Worlddawg more hungry than Yannick. Yeah. We don't want to hear no interview because Worlddawg, there is nothing you can say. You chose that whore. Yannick say a long time you run her down and she ignore you. You text it on her purse. And she give the time of day. Yeah. So yeah, come now. Yannick say is you are run her down how long? So me don't know how them girl you go sit down and talk XYZ. Worlddawg, you knew what you were doing. Joe Duppy de pan you. And that him a try to turn people against Yannick. And then through Blinger now, you know how long Blinger say she do for her body? And that's how Blinger sit down. Yes, and you know people, you gotta understand. And yes, a long time Blinger, more know which part of Blinger do. And that more know which part of Blinger did. You know how long Blinger says she do about it and say, oh. Yes. And you know people, and Blinger surgery tight. Blinger your surgery tight. Worlddawg promise him cocky. Cause you're a cocky rabbit, you know. You, when me see a big old girl like you, leave your picnic them alone. I wonder if the government did not say leave them unsupervised. Then what are we Rosealee cuss Worlddawg? Me never tell them say Rosealee go cuss Worlddawg. Me never tell them. Didn't I say you saw your Rosealee come and class Worlddawg because them have the same energy? Me never tell them. All of a sudden the $800 beat Rosealee now. Look how long him teeth it, Rosealee. Good God Almighty, look how long your party gone. Me never tell you so she come cuss Worlddawg. I told you. Rosealee don't like the fact, say, the internet a run without she now. Cause all she a cuss we no want hear. Of course, Akim share class. Akim, forgive back the woman at 800. Akim got take back the money from your mama, you know. Cause Rosealee go bust it up on you one day, you know. Say, bet Rosealee make you ride her down and shoot her. Dush. Me know say Akim she want class and she want talk the deep things about Akim because Akim a take to her gifters. Don't miss it. Remember me did tell her this. She's angry at Akim because she knows say him hungry. But she knows say Akim hungry. Let me tell you with Rosealee, they watch us. Our thing, our pattern. You know why she never want Jakes on the app? Because she knew Jakes was licky and people are going to bribe Jakes with things. Who remember that? She never want Jakes on the app. Because she know Jakes licky. She know Jakes licky. Who believe me? That is the whole reason why she never want Jakes on the app. So you see, with the Akim situation, she has to be working for Akim. You never know. In order to hold him, that's why she get Akim anything. You know, Akim say, Rose a kind girl, you know, no, she's bribing you. You understand me? Alright, fine. You see that the old people that will come down from foreign? Rosealee is uncomfortable with most of them being around Akim. Let me tell you that. But they did not came for Rosealee, they came for Akim. You notice how she cuss some of the gifters, but who video me? Another video on the vomiting because somebody video me I vomit me proud. Because if me drink, me supposed to puke. You understand me? I said me drink, me supposed to puke. But Rosealee upset over the fact because inside information we not privy to. But time I go tell, time I come. Because she knew Akim is licky and hungry and even body can take with Akim, even a cocky. Of course, Jake's licky. Jake's licky. And it's just the truth. She don't want to cuss Worlddawg, because Worlddawg name Akim too. I put you first. Show me your worth. She know a pay licky man them take. And I just that. So all of the wife and Akim want me and want he. Rosealee and her gifters them soon kick off. You know, yeah, Akim say I keep another river bash. I wonder if Rosealee will go up. Then you know what that Rosealee did in her river. I said, Jesus, don't come here. Me say I get a full view of Rosealee overall with a ballerina skirt. Me say Jesus save me. I want that old tape trapaling on the baby. No. Me say when I see Rosealee in a swimsuit, see me? People wicked, you know. You see, I know Rosealee back now going at the swimsuit, you know. My phone are dead. I know Rosealee back them not going at the swimsuit. Then who tell Rosealee she should wear full suit with wrap? I never see a burrito big so. I never see a burrito big so. Me see Rosealee. Me have to say, Jesus have mercy, sin is really blind, you know. You know say sin blind? No, in a true life, Miss Jacob sin blind because when I see them something more clean close to the old or get cross, I say nobody couldn't tell us it not look good. I pay bad vision the day river. Then Akim wear glasses. Me say when I see bolo slush. When I see bolo slush, me say not even Louis Bennett poor. Me say the girl favor hugging her body draws. Oh Lord. Rosealee outfit make me feel like me dip and go slow. Jesus have mercy. Come here now. You know, say if me go by any outing, any trip, anything at all, and I see Rosealee, I nah bother go. I say when I see Rosealee in the wrap, I know Rosealee back now going to the bath suit. She have to take a measurement for her swimwear then. Sin really ugly now. And it shows when I see Rosealee keep her river bash and a party. It shows that sin really ugly because all of them people they are sinners. Everybody will go Rosealee party are sinners. Me say when I see them, I want witness to them. God is able. He can do exceedingly, abundantly, above all that we can even think or imagine. Come on, somebody. Me I watch the video and I want to say, I rebuke. The blood. Me say when Psalms 23 saying, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear none of Rosealee people. No. Yeah. You're mad. Me say I pure dead people, you know. I pure dead people. But you're top girl. Me say everybody favor read Tombstone and Coffin. Read Tombstone and Coffin. I kid you not. I kid you not. Oh Lord. The scripture come true. Jesus, oh Jesus. A long time when I do Bible study for true. More on the Bible study after Yannick match. No but can I lie? Boss, before I come off and go charge my phone, remember, donation. And your son sell bottom of foreign. Donation. I can't believe say your son make your enemy a donate to you on a Sunday. Donation, cute boss. We started, all you have to do is hustle the rice. All you have to do is hustle the rice. I can't get everything in a one go, girl. You have to go take your hand make fashion or your son bottom. Yeah? Yeah, I forgot, but I always remember say today is Sunday and you are cuss me. I just eat 3 different meat for breakfast and you are cuss me. And you are big woman, long time before time cocky vampire. Eh? Long time before time cocky vampire. Man wear your mouth in them back pocket like New Testament Bible. And you make a careless girl like me, I donate to your stomach on a Sunday. Me give you the ready peas and me give you the coconut milk. You don't have to blend, you don't have to chop, you don't have to char and bite and spit back. Look, everything me I give in a liquid. Easy does it, cause you're lazy. You like to sit down and do things, so me I give you this. You can't say me not help out. Yeah. No, it's true. If you're a good girl, I just don't eat 3 meat. How you feel on a Sunday morning and you get up this morning and trouble me? You never know my breakfast. And you did hear about my breakfast, you would open your mouth for me though. You'd have beg my pardon. You would have begged me to pardon it. Talk truth. And then me about your brother have to come from foreign, come take my brother must come down, come take care of my mother. Yeah, no foreign him did live. So not him for come down, come take care of her. You go like him did used to send Irish Spring and Dove. And me used to buy them. Things where you never know about me. Things you should have known before you cuss me. I'll put that up on TikTok. Yeah. Things you need to know before you start cussing, Shebby. Me and your son is not the same thing. Him not buy you a carton. Him can buy you a carton of cigarette. Him know your habit. Him know your liking. I broke my mother bad. Me girl, my mother running belly to things that she never born and grew up and I used to. You never know. Me I forgot easy with her. I forgot easy with her. I know so her intestine them not sophisticated. And I like to the time. Like most my book call my mother uncle. Before my book, like most my book call my mother uncle. Cause I pay a platform heels to buy my mother. When my mother got church, I feel all up on the wall. Cause my swear says she's young as me. I saw my mother eye in the ear. I saw she have to go all up on the wall for God church. She live in front of church and can't reach. For true. By the time she reach past her pronounce benediction, now ask if you boss go make your son take care of you. Go and let your son take good care. Make your son spoil you. Your son never send you on a trip yet? Your son for send you on the North Coast, make you cock up your bad foot them. And them something for go on. Come off from my phone, cute boss, and not come by me. Cause your son bottom loose suffering. Them are the fireworks name bottom and it not benefit him. How you work out that? Me baby. Me telling you so when you don't want to cost me, ask me for things. Ask me for things. Me can't tell you the things what for cost me with. Yeah, ask me. Anytime when you want to cuss me, don't ask nobody nothing about me. Ask me. Cause no girl, no boy, no know nothing about me. The people in my Franklin town say my mama mean. My mama go like she not have it when she have it. And that them say, can they say that about you, dirty girl? I do some shit keep the doctor away. Love me. Cute boss, excuse me. I got to put on my shades and cook. The place is too bright. So different from your sun bottom and your foot. Cute boss, pick another number and come again. Don't to your son and say, he might beg me to leave me out of the argument with me and you. Your son hate you. Your son hate you. Your son say, before your son come defend you, your son a beg Cree. Take me out of it. Class mommy. Your son hate you, man, cute boss. Then who could have depend the upper class, my madam text them and tell them, say, leave me out of it. Your son hate you. But come to think of it, your daughter where you have where you sell the back where you pum pum hate you. Your daughter where you sell the back where you pum pum hate you. Come now. My back arch, you see all dimpling on my back. And that's why the boy them like throw tequila in and go, No, but it's not lie. Your son hate you. Me have a class your son for you a while ago. Cause me never like it. Your son hate you, cute boss. And you come about parenting. Go make it up with your back with your pum pum daughter. Then you can imagine. Your son all show me respect. Your son all show me respect. Your son hates you. Me never see this yet from I was a kid. Then this can real people. Somebody can class my mother, me I beg them to leave me out. Then what kind of relationship you have? Then how you for come on the mother train? But come to think of it, but this is when you slip my man. Me the whole our reason. Why your son never come over here, come light it up like last night? Why him come a beg pardon? Me never see this time I was born. Then who could have... Me ask on upon the app something. Can you go on a live and somebody a class your mother and you beg them, just nobody call my name? Eh? Me that for class the individual. Me that for class the individual. The lady said, my mother eat me? Well, if my mother eat me, she's supposed to eat me. Because remember, she old and she has a youth in me. So she's supposed to eat me. So we now go down the line there. Because make up your mind if my mother eat me, I not mind my mother. Because if my mother eat me, I not mind. I have a reason not to mind her because she ate me. You understand me? So make up your mind if my mother ate me, I'm not minding her. Because I don't know all the argument here go like my story them 10 story in a one. Me not understand how this go. If my mother ate me, it simply means that you not have no reason for cuss me, say me not mind my mother, right? Because if your mother ate you, it simply means that she wants nothing from you. So my mother fi ate me, and then you turn on cuss me, say me not mind my mother. Cute boss, make it make sense now. You see why me not argue with some of them on the app? Because them just a feel for words like Sky Diamond. Them just a own to receipt like she. Yeah, but man, for put in the party, man. How your son a beg pardon for himself and not for you? That means that your son want me rob you. So if my mother ate me, your son despise you. Your son sorry saying drop through your foot. Right, you know the big man an audition for your mother. That's why I'm not argue with someone upon the app, you know. Make up your mind if my mother ate me or me not mind her. Because either way you take it, me have every reason for do what me do then out of your mouth. But it hurt you to your son come on the live and class you. Sneakingly, respectfully leave me out of it. So that means say him no mind what I want to say about you then. Oh Lord. Everywhere I go people love me. Dark and illiterate for true sister Winnie. Everywhere I go I must apologize to your son. I must apologize to your little boy. I must. Actually me did that. You know talk a whole heap of something in a one. And then come in a 2 and then leak over in a 4. Yeah, your son a rob you. Your son a rob you. Cute boss and a parent in here come out, go make it up with your little boy and hit you. No, for sure I must apologize to him because I never really understand the way I say. For sure, I think the little boy that come up and say, hey boy, anyway, I say I kick out the rest of your butter own. Eh? For me make myself available. Yeah, I never know. She said me have AIDS. What she say? She said AIDS and nyam what? Lord Jesus, from the time when I say me have AIDS in Jamaica until now, it not sure. Everybody have AIDS. Some you start cause you have AIDS. Right now, cute boss, you not ever catch AIDS because you have to sexually active if you have AIDS. And nobody don't want you. So right now it's a given, yeah? Right now it's a given. You have to sexually active to have AIDS. And right now you not seem like you ever have any form of STD because nobody know want you. So if me have AIDS, you can imagine your son. You can imagine your son. If me have AIDS, come on now. Can remember me and your son ride the same Jackie. You sure go like a me makes cute boss, it's not me saying no, your favor Buddha bless you. And not me say your favor Charlene Monk or Jet Li. And not me cute boss. It's your hairdo. It's your hairdo. It wasn't me. It's your hairdo. Me say you have an outline like how Beanie Man belly shape. Me say your earline shape like Beanie Man tummy. Your parrot big like him belly. Cute boss is not me. It's how you look. You just look shag up. And I me cute boss. For a woman, you look shag. You favor sketch. Me say you head favor Beanie Man Tommy. I kid you not. Look on Beanie Man belly in a marina and tell me something strange. And I mean. So when you talk about AIDS and your mouth head side, make we put we head together out the road and make Smaddy pick. Make Smaddy pick the biggie. You know, cause cute boss, you can't cause later. Because you don't have no information. Go gather, mother gather. Yeah. Go gather today is Sunday. And me a tie with you while you play with your son belly. You have a little boy, you know. Go take care of him, I overfeed him. Don't make it be like Muta. We say, Rosealee, me a video with me, I feed your kids them on my table. Don't do that. Don't do that. Go and cook something warm. You should have spit up in your rice and peas now for your little boy. You should have said, "Don't is so good, Shebada. I'm tired of you. I hate you. I can't stomach you. Yeah. I'm tired of you, Shebada." Yeah, you should have do something in the kitchen, man. As a mother. And me I come out. I'm want to shake and bake with them peas and coconut. What you say? Charge my phone, yeah? Get some charge on this and come back for your cute boss. Buddha bless you. Yeah, and that's your hairstyle. Me I come off of the live with your hairstyle. Buddha bless you. You head favor Charlene Temple. Now I ask you, Karachi show going in your ear, my baby.